Here I am to satisfy your ambition and help you achieve every new goal. Face any sort of materials by selecting the process you want. Let my innovative technology conquer you. It matches perfectly with your professionality. I will help you reduce times and processing costs. You just need to choose one of my Synergic programs or create a new one tailored to your needs. My power will support your most intensive and ambitious works so that you can concentrate on what really matters. Your job. Electromig Synergic. Efficient choice.